Okay, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can add an admin to your page, because it's good for you to add an admin to your page, in the sense that let's say for an instance, someone hacked your Facebook account that you created the page from. You know that somebody hacking that account, it makes the person to have access to the pages you are managing with that account. So it's always advisable that you get multiple admins if possible. You can get as many admins as you want, so that in case something happen to your profile, you can have another way of getting access into that page. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to show you a step-by-step way on how you can add an admin to your page without wasting much time. Guys, let's get started. So you just head over to your Facebook app. So when you head over to your Facebook app, let me check if I'm on my page already. Okay, I'm on my page already. Please, if you have not followed this my page, you do well to follow this my page, so that you won't be missing out on an important update, right? So if, assuming we are on your Facebook profile, all you need to do is just to click here to switch it to your page, or any this thing that you want. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm on my Facebook page already, so there's no need of me switching. So I'll just go ahead and click on those three lines where my profile picture is shown here. So I'll just click on it. When I click, I'll just scroll down to where I see setting and privacy. I'll click on setting and privacy. After that, I will now click on setting. After clicking on setting, you see the option to switch profile. You want to do that, you see so many options. So what we just want to do is just to add an admin to this page. I'll just click on page setup. So when I click on page setup, I've made a video on how you can change your name on your page, on your Facebook page. So if you have not watched it, you just do well to watch it, because it's just almost the same process. So I will just click on page access, and when I click on page access, you see people with Facebook access, people with tax access. So I want to make someone an admin, so I'll just click on people with Facebook access. Any action you take at this page, blah blah blah, I don't want to read it, so I'll just click on next. So when I click on next, who should have access to this page? I will just type if you edit. So this person, if I should tick on this one there, that means this person will have full control of this page. I can remove anyone on this page, I can run out on this page, like I can do a whole lot of things on this page. So all what I have to do is just to, let me use my other account. So all what I have to do is just to tick it on and click on give access. So when I click on give access, I will now be asked to enter my password. I will just pause this video. And okay guys, I forgot my password, I guess so, but that's the method. You just go ahead and input your password, and the moment you click on confirm, that means you have automatically added someone to be an admin on your page. Please, if you find this video helpful, do it to follow this page for more tips like this. Like those video, leave your comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.